Locate the battery under the hood on the right side of the engine bay. This example is performed on a 2014 Buick Encore. For safety, wear glasses, gloves, and long sleeves. Start by removing the negative wire with a 10mm socket counterclockwise. Remove the wire and place it away from any metal parts. Open the positive terminal cover and loosen the nut with a 10mm socket counterclockwise. Be careful not to let the ratchet touch anything metal during this step. Remove the wire. To remove the hold down, use a 13mm socket and extensions. An 8 or 9-inch tool does the job nicely. Turn the bolt counterclockwise and remove it. Lift the hold down arm from one end and unhinge it. Slide the battery forward, lift it out. When buying the new battery, make sure the height will fit under the hold down bracket. Set the new battery in with the red positive terminal toward the back of the engine bay. Remove the terminal cover and slide the battery back. Then snug down and tighten the wire. Clip the terminal protector down, lower the battery handle, and rehinge the hold down. Line up the bolt hole and start threading the bolt by hand at first, then tighten it down with the 13mm. Remove the battery negative terminal protector, snug down the negative battery cable, and tighten the nut clockwise. And that's it. Now turn the key 2 clicks and check the battery status with the warning lights. It should be all good, so start it up. Don't forget to recycle the used battery for cash where it was originally purchased, or Google "recycle car battery for cash" near me. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell. Check out this video. Thanks for watching.